Think about it. If you're one of those employees, that's a lot of wasted time. But what about your company? That 80% figure means that most companies are losing a significant amount of productivity due to poor email communication. Imagine sending an email that gets ignored, misunderstood, or even deleted. That's not professional. Professional email writing is about making sure your message lands and gets the results you want. Think of your email like a letter. You wouldn't start it with a joke, would you? The same goes for emails. Keep your greeting professional and get straight to the point. Imagine you're sending an email about a meeting. Which subject line would get more attention? The clear and specific one, right? That's because people are more likely to open emails with a clear message, and 30% of the time, it makes all the difference. You know what day has the highest chance of your email being read? Tuesday. On average, emails get opened 25% more often on this day. So if you're sending an important update or meeting request, consider Tuesday for the best results. Writing a professional email shouldn't take more than 10 minutes. Here's how you can break it down. Write and edit in 5 minutes, review for clarity in 2, and do a final check in another 3. It's a quick process that can make a big difference. Writing a professional email is like any other task. You have to plan, write, review, and send. Each step is crucial for getting your point across effectively. Here's a quote from a professional email writer. The most successful emails are those that are clear, concise, and direct. Don't make your readers guess what you want. That's the key to getting your message across. Let's look at a visual guide. This flowchart will help you write professional emails by guiding you through the process step by step. The body of your email is like the meat of a letter. You want to state your purpose clearly, have one idea per paragraph with supporting facts or examples, and end with a clear request for action. Here's a fun fact. Studies show that while the subject line is read first, the body of an email is often skimmed. So make sure your subject line clearly states what's in the body. There's a common myth that longer emails are better, but in reality, shorter emails get the most attention and action. So be concise. A common question: how long should an email be? The answer is simple. Aim for 10 to 20 lines. Anything longer, and you risk losing your reader's attention. An action call to action is a clear, direct request for the reader to take a specific action. It makes your email more effective by guiding them towards what you want them to do. Remember these key points: a clear subject line, a professional greeting, a concise body, and an actionable CTA. These will help you write emails that get results. The impact of personalization on open rates. Comparing email tone across industries. Email writing process, a visual guide. Myth: all emails need a CTA. Now that you know how to write professional emails, take the first step. Start practicing and watch your productivity improve.